Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today I'm showing how to make a juicy, fat, delicious bacon burger. Okay, so you're gonna need all those seasonings I just showed you. I'll list it in the description bar. You're gonna need some ground beef and then your buns. And I also made some fries on the side if you want to get you some little refrigerated waffle fries, or you can make them by scratch, but I ain't do all that. It's up to you. The package of meat that I have is about 2 pounds. I didn't use all of it. I only made 2 burgers, so I basically just split it in half and I used that much and just measured it that way. So you can just use a fork to try and knead out your meat so that way when you're seasoning, it can get a more even season. I am using the Badia jerk seasoning. You can get this at Walmart. You don't have to use that brand. I just wanted to use some jerk seasoning in general. Then I'm gonna add my garlic powder and my onion powder. And for all of the seasonings, I'm going to use half a tablespoon, except for when I get to the paprika, I think I used a teaspoon. And the last thing that I'm going to use is some Morton seasoned salt, which I forgot to measure, but again with the half a teaspoon. Then you're going to want to add 1 egg along with about a half a cup of your choice of breadcrumbs. Then you can go ahead and mix those together. So you can take a handful of your ground beef and you want to mold it into a ball first. And then once you have it in a firm ball, you can then start pressing it down until it becomes into a circle shape or like a patty. So if you're using about 1 pound, you just want to try and eyeball it and split that amount in half for your first patty. And then if you need to go back and add more, you can always do that as well. So this is the final result of how my patties turned out before they were cooked. I put the leftover meat in some Tupperware and I froze it so I could use it at a different time. Right here I'm just spraying my pan for my fries. I'm going to add a little bit of oil on top of them before they bake. So you want to heat your stove to about 5 or 6 or medium heat. You want to cook those for about 5 to 6 minutes or just until it is to your liking inside. So I just made mine a bit pink just so they could cook in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes and cook thoroughly. This is what your final product should look like. I also added some cheese. I added some spinach to my buns and a pickle with some mayonnaise. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more content.